Hey everybody, I hope you had a good day so far. I'm going to go over the 3 items that you need to complete today in class before you leave. Your first priority is to turn in your unit rate project that we've been working on since Monday. And I'm going to show you on the screen how to do that. Before you turn in your project, you need to pull up your checklist rubric that I gave you on Monday. It looks like this. If you have misplaced it, just pull this up on your computer. Go through each slide. So pull up slide 1. Make sure you have name, project title, class period. Go to slide 2. Did you find the unit rate for each component? You need 2 unit rates. Slide 3. Did you have 2 tables from 0 to 10 with the correct data? On this one, make sure that you've labeled both of the rows on your tables. Continue to do this for all 8 slides. Check everything off once you're done. After you've checked everything off, go back into your Google Classroom, just like I'm doing here on the screen. Now remember, your screen looks a little bit different than mine, but you will need to click Unit Rate Project and it will take you into the assignment. When you go into the assignment, you are going to see everything that I assigned you if you scroll down, and at the bottom it'll say Your Work, and to the right there will be a blue Turn In button. You and your partner both need to turn that in. Even if you are not the one that made the presentation, you still need to click Turn In. So by the end of first period, I should have 29 people that have turned in their assignments. And this should be the same for every class. If someone's absent, we'll figure that out on Friday. But if you are here today, you need to get this turned in before you leave. If you are here and you do not turn in your assignment, I will count points off for it being late if you wait and turn it in on Friday. After you have submitted this project, go back out into Google Classroom using the back button, and there's an announcement at the top. It says, complete the Google form by clicking the link below. This is the peer evaluation you need to complete for the unit rate project. Please be honest in your responses. If you click the words peer evaluation unit rate project, a live form will come up. On this form, you are going to put your first and last name, then answer the questions asked. Anything with a star means that you have to answer it. It's a required question. If there's not a star beside it, you don't have to answer that question. So basically, if you look at this first one, it says, was everyone always focused on what needed to be done? Your answer will be yes or no, depending on how you feel about you and your group member. If you click no, this next one says, if you answered no, who wasn't focused? You need to type in somebody's name. All right, so you'll see I didn't just type a one-word answer there. You need to give me some details on who was the problem, what did they do, so that I will know. It's not fair for them to get the same grade if only one person was working on the project. You'll continue to do that all the way through, and at the bottom it says, is there anything else I need to know about this project? This can be either positive or negative. Give me details. This doesn't have to be person specific. This can just be overall. You liked the project, you hated it, you want to do stuff like this again, you'd prefer that we do worksheets in class. Just be honest. It's not a required question, but I would like for you to give me some details just so I know how you feel. After you've filled in this entire form, you'll click Submit, and then you'll be done there. Leave this page. After you've submitted that, you will need to go put your Chromebook up, back in the cart, in the correct place, plugged in like we do every single day, and there's a study guide on the black rolly cart next to the computer cart. The study guide has, I can actually pull it up for you real quick. The study guide goes over all the types of questions that you're going to see on your test, not Mel, on Tuesday. So Tuesday's our Unit 2 study guide, or our Unit 2 test. Go through this study guide, do as many of the problems that you can. You can use your binder to help you, but I do not want you to talk. If you are asking somebody else for help, you do not know what questions you're struggling with and which ones you're going to need the most help on. So please work on your own, and then when I get back tomorrow, we're going to go over the study guide to make sure that you know what's going on. I'm going to pull up the study guide real quick. It will be helpful if you show your work on this study guide. Don't just pick answers on the multiple choice problems. There's plenty of space, like out here to the right. I would work number 1 out here to the right. Remember how to divide fractions. Keep going through, and most of these problems we've given you enough room that you can go through and write out all of your work so you can see what you know how to do and what you don't know how to do. There are 19 questions. You don't have to finish, or sorry, 20 questions. You don't have to finish in class today, but try to get as much done as possible. We will go over this tomorrow and Monday so that you're prepared for your test that is on Tuesday. If you finish all of this, the very last page of your study guide is a graph where you can plot ordered pairs and connect the dots to make shapes, and it's one for Halloween. Just kind of wanted something extra in case you did get done. Hope you guys have a great day. Please be on your best behavior. I will have my computer while I'm at training, so if you have a question, you can email me, and I'll do my best to get you an answer. You could probably also pull up the chat in your email and send me a message, and I can get back to it. If you chat me on your Google presentation, I will more than likely not see that. So please try to communicate with email or the chat feature that is in your email account. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.